So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download graphic card motherboard driver. So first you come to www.gigabyte.com and you can see here the search button and just enter the model number which is you require driver of. Okay, and then hit enter. Then click to product and you can see this is then click support. Select your operating system which is your required driver. So Bluetooth driver, see this is Bluetooth driver, just click to download. It will take some time to download and then open, then double click to exe, then give to permissions for administrator for the installations. Now you can see this is start installations. Okay, and then this is installed.